In today's video I'll show you how to turn off the manual unlock on your Nintendo Switch 2. Let's get into the method. This is the setting that requires you to press the same button 3 times to unlock the device. Open the System Settings app first from the Switch 2 home screen, and then scroll down until you are in the section called System, which should be at the bottom. On here, scroll down until you are on the option called Manually Unlock Screen After Sleep Mode, and you can use the toggle switch here to turn this off. That's how to turn off manual unlock on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.